Hello, my name is Brad Gervais. I'm the parts manager here at Overseas Motors BMW. And today we're going to talk about the maintenance for your BMW. Looking to get your BMW vehicle serviced? Considering going to the local mechanic? Have you considered why getting your BMW serviced at a dealership like Overseas Motors BMW is your best option? We want you to be safe and confident in addition to focusing to your needs. To that end, we offer contactless vehicle pickup and drop-off with key drop boxes. Also, we make certain to use protective gear and clean the high contact areas. Vaccinations might be here, but we want to ensure our customers are safe. We are contacting you to talk about your vehicle. We use email and phone. This way, you do not have to meet us in person, but you will also be able to ask any questions that may arise. Lastly, we have remote payment options. This will help make it easier for you to make a payment at your convenience. Some frequent questions: should I clean my vehicle beforehand? It is advisable to clean your vehicle on a regular basis. If you have questions, our website has our guide. Another question that may arise: will my vehicle be cleaned? Yes, we do clean and disinfect your vehicle here at Overseas Motors BMW. Your safety and peace of mind is our top priority. Thank you for watching and have a great day.